This video is a short reminder to myself on how to specify power planes and how to connect them properly, so I don't have to go through all the documentation again to find out this stuff. So here I have made a short or a list of components that are connected to the ground plane, and they are connected to two different power planes and a few other components. I have defined a PCB here, and the layer stack up is built in a way that I have two power planes, and here they are. I got 4 internal planes. So if I go back, I have here layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 and layer 4, and then I have top layer and bottom layer. The idea is that after I have placed the components here, they have to be connected, because there is supposed to be connectivity in everything, even if I don't route these connections. Right now there is no such connection. This, for instance, the layer 1 is connected, or is supposed to be connected to the net 3.3 volts, but if I check it out, so I can see that there is no connection whatsoever. These 3.3 volts bias, they are absolutely disconnected from this power plane. The same way, if I go to layer 2, which is supposed to be connected to the net 5 V0, and then I can see here there is no connection in there, and there is absolutely no connection. Layer 4 is supposed to be connected to ground. One more time, there is no connection, and layer 3 is supposed to be connected to ground. Well, the idea here is that I need to double click, and then it comes this dialog, split plane, and then I can specify the net ground in this particular place, in this particular case. If I press OK, then I can see that now the bias, they are connected to the plane via these thermal relief tracks, and that is exactly what I want. So here I haven't connected these. So in the reality, if I check it out, it says net name 5 volts. There ain't no 5 volts, and then I have to specify no net 5 volts. That is layer 2, and then the 5 volts vias, they get connected. Similarly, I can specify layer 4, not connected, connected, and then I got the bias connected, and this is to ground, and I can, or it's connected to ground. So let me see, layer 3 is not connected to any net, and it's supposed to be connected to, it's supposed to be connected to layer 3.3, but right now it ain't, so I have to specify that as well. And I press OK, and now I got everything. If I now go through the different layers, I can see here that 3.3, it is indeed connected to that layer. Layer number 2, the ground is connected. Layer number 2 is connected to 5 volts, and then layer number 4 is connected to ground. Now if I return back to the top layer, now all the roughness have disappeared, because in fact now all the connections have been made, and the board is completely routed without having to draw any lines from ground to ground or from 3.3 to 3.3. There is no connection here. The connection is being made through the power plane, and that is pretty much what I wanted to accomplish, and this is just something to remember to myself.